Students, regarding financial market, today I am going to tell something about capital market in India. Financial market can be of money market and capital market, but I am going to deal only with capital market. What is capital market? It is a place where buyers and sellers can interact and transact financial securities. What are the financial securities? Shares, debentures, debt instruments, bonds, derivative instruments, that is for future, option, swaps, ETFs, etc. So that one party, X party will buy, party Y will sell. That is about capital market. So every business unit needs money to finance its activities. This aspect every one of us knows. The money is invested in physical resources, that is land and buildings, machines and equipments, stock of raw materials, which are used to buy the enterprise in production. So all these resources together constitute what? Capital. So simple one. Capital is wealth used in the production of further wealth. So Indian capital market, if you see, that consists of the chart which shows it all consists of market, instruments, intermediaries, regulator, SEBI, primary market, secondary market, brokers, investment bankers, stock exchanges, underwriters, equity, all these comes under financial market. If you take example of one business enterprise, a business enterprise can raise capital from various sources. Long-term funds can be raised through issue of securities and borrowings from certain institutions. Short-term funds can be borrowed from various agencies. Now let us see the structure of capital market. The capital market can be divided into two constituents. The first one is financial institution, another one is the securities market. So this is again the chart. And here what are the new term banks coming in? IFCI, ICICI, SFC, that is Small State Finance Corporation, IDBI, IIBI and UTI. So these are some of the depository institutions. So the financial institutions include IFCI, Indian Industrial Finance Corporation of India, IDBI, SIDBI, IDFC, SFC, LIC. Why I am not giving the expansion for all these terms as you are familiar with. Exim banks, etc. They provide long-term, medium-term loans and other financial facilities. So the security market is divided into gilt-edged market and the corporate securities market. So what is securities market? It is the market for equity, debt and derivatives. The debt market may be divided into the government securities market, the corporate debt market and the money market. The derivatives market may be divided into the option market and the future market. Securities market is a place where you buy and sell securities, stock and bonds. It is issued by corporations to raise money, and after the initial issue, securities are traded among investors. The gilt-edged market is the market in government securities or the securities guaranteed by the government. It is related to the government. Gilt-edged securities market, that is also known as government securities market. See here only central and state government financial institutions like IFCI, IDBI, SFC and SIDCs are coming. Securities could be of short term or long term. Such securities are very safe, and come again, they are very safe for investment. Returns are guaranteed. returns are not attractive as the rate of return is very low. Such securities are more secure than corporate securities. The buyers of gilt-edged securities are commercial banks, charitable trusts, insurance companies, and individual investors. The maturity period will not be uniform for all securities. So, next we see about corporate securities market. Corporate securities market is a market where securities issued by corporate firms that can be bought and sold freely. It consists of new issue market and the stock exchange. See, corporate security market consists of part of corporate securities. It is also called as new issues market. It deals in issuing of new securities in the form of public issues, rights issues, private placements to raise the capital of corporate enterprise. So, what is the role of capital market in India, especially with related to industry? First important role is mobilization of savings and acceleration of capital formation. In this market, various types of securities help to mobilize savings from various sections of the population. What is the second important role? Promotion of industrial growth. The capital market is a central market through which resources are transferred to the industrial sector of the economy. In between, I am giving some pictures just to go through that. Third important role is raising long-term capital. The stock exchange by offering an opportunity to investors to buy and sell their securities. The fourth important role is ready and continuous market. The stock exchange provides a central convenient place where buyers and sellers can easily purchase and sell securities. The fifth one is proper channelization of funds. An efficient capital market not only creates liquidity through its pricing mechanism but also functions to allocate resources to the most efficient industries. Next point is provision of variety of services. Grant of long-term, medium-term loans to entrepreneurs to enable them to establish their business for either for expansion or for modernization. So, let me come to the conclusion of capital market. Especially Indian capital market, it has witnessed a radical transformation within a period of just over 1.5 decades. The Indian capital market is now ranked in the top league. In fact, it is now considered to be the way ahead of many developed countries' capital. Thank you.